Hello, thought I'd do a little video today. Spring is in the air. This is going to be my first cooking video. And what better way to celebrate spring in the air than having a barbecue?
Oi! Like and subscribe.
So I'm going to do some fish kebabs in this beautiful setting in Croatia. We're in Juliana's parents' garden. They've got a lovely little grill over here. The outside cooking wood, get the wood on. Simple, very nice. And to go with it, Juliana's parents have picked some wild asparagus, which we're going to have in a dish. It's lovely here. Things are just starting to come out. Come a bit closer and show you a little trick.
What are you doing?
So you see these?
Yeah?
This is going to be my starter one. It just lights a bit easier. This wood's quite dry, so I probably don't really need to do this. But if you're struggling, it's good. I know at home we normally use briquettes.
That's best. Yeah, that's best. Take it more.
So obviously growing up, my granddad was a forester and he showed me how to build a fire about 3 million times. Start with your small sticks, building up to your larger in a nice triangle fashion. So after this, gonna make the kebabs. Yeah, we've got some Alaskan pollock and that's been marinating. And on the kebabs, we're gonna have some whole mushrooms and some yellow pepper, or paprika, as they say, call it in Croatia. But we've got to get these nice and hot, get the embers. We're gonna cook on the embers. There's something very, I wanna say, Neolithic about cooking on a fire. I think that's the right term. But you know, you're a real man when you can master a fire and cook something with a family on it. Or woman. But let's go that direction, yeah. In fact, it was probably the women that was doing all the cooking. You're a real woman if you can cook on a fire for your family. Lovely. And then, yes, we have some wild asparagus dishes to go with the food that's being cooked today. Okay, let's head over to what are you pointing at? Are we having some of that? Speak, you can't speak, you know. What are you looking at?
Show you that.
What, are we having some of that? What is that?
Žutenica.
Žutenica.
Bravo.
Oh, žutenica as well. It looks like dandelions to me.
Yeah, something like that, yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Domesticated dandelion. Žutenica. Okay. This is getting nice. It's very toasty. We didn't get any marshmallows. Should have got some marshmallows. In fact, we didn't get any dessert at all, did we?
Yeah, we have.
Oh, we have.
Cake.
In fact, your mum's cooking cake.
Yeah, yes.
Life is good. Life is good. We'll have a look around the garden, shall we? Over here we've got some French Got French lavender. Gorgeous. Some daffodils over there. Okay, like I said before, I'm going to make some fish kebabs. So, overnight, as I said, I've been marinating this fish. It's Alaskan pollock, and in there is a little olive oil with some turmeric, chili powder, chives, salt and pepper, and some onions and grated garlic. I like to grate the garlic. I just prefer it like that. Actually, the real reason is I didn't have a garlic crusher. So overnight as well, I soaked my skewers. The reason I did that is so they don't burn on the barbecue. Oh, that smells so good, and it looks so good. The colour, everything. So with the kebabs, gonna just do some onion, some pepper, and some whole mushrooms. Wow, beautiful. So I want quite big chunky bits of vegetables and fruits. So just cut the pepper in half, and this is my easiest way I've found to get the middle out. Just cut around the stalk there. You can just easily remove that bit. Then that little bit you don't want to eat, just cut that out. And if there's any leftover seeds over the bin, if you just tap it, they all come out. Perfect. I know I didn't do that over the bin, but there was only 2 seeds in there. So cut around the stalk. Take out the centre. I'm not just chucking it on the floor, my bin's down there. Just cut out the bit you don't want. I mean, you don't have to cut out that bit, it's perfectly edible. It's just not aesthetically pleasing. And I do think cooking is a lot to do with visuals as well. It's not just how it tastes, although when it comes down to it, it's got to taste good as well. Just over the bin, tap all the seeds out, lovely. Oh, and that is beautiful. So I'm going to cut it into pieces about that size. I've probably not got enough here. I'm cooking for 4 people, so we'll see. I've never done fish on a barbecue like this before. I will usually wrap the fish in some tin foil and bake it on the barbecue. With the mushrooms, just tailing them. These mushrooms are so nice. Local product. I'll tell you what, the produce in Croatia is gorgeous. Especially in the summer, the markets are so cheap and everything tastes absolutely fantastic. And also, people are really into foraging here. I got told always carry a plastic bag with you, or else. And I thought it was a weird thing, but actually everywhere you go there's herbs and berries and nuts, and yeah, it's fantastic. And I think we should definitely get back in touch with that side of cooking. There's something really, really, really nice about finding your own food and then cooking it. Really lucky in this house. It's really nice. They've got obviously their small kitchen inside, but this used to be a greenhouse and they converted it into an outside kitchen, and you've got everything you need, electric and gas cooker, and it's actually hooked up to a gas bottle in the bottom here. Fantastic. Oh yeah, these are going to be lovely. Right, I've rinsed them. Going to do nice chunky onion as well. Trust me, everything smells absolutely fantastic. And the produce is cheap here. It's good. It's great prices. Okay. I guess it's time to start construction. Oh, that's perfect. That's lovely. Bit of pepper. Mushroom. Now, these particular kebab sticks don't have points on, so they're a bit harder to do. It's alright, I've got muscles though. Look at that, that's looking lovely. We've got another piece of pepper. Another mushroom. Another bit of onion. It's getting a bit slippy. That's a joke there, but I'm not going to say it. So we're trying to keep it fun for all the family. Use your imaginations, kids. Okay, how's that looking? Delicious. Look at these! Wow! Smells so good. Oh my goodness. A little bit of more pepper. Lovely, jubbly. Right. Are we ready for grill time?
Yes.
It's good, yeah? Okay. Smells so good. Can you smell it? Not only are you getting the wood smoke, you're getting all that herbs and juice, spices. And to finish it off, just frying those last few onions and the ones they were marinated in. There's bits of fish in there and all the flavours. You don't want to waste that. Just soften them up a bit. We've got an absolute feast here. What's this? Some
Žutenica.
Žutenica. Is that the cabbagey stuff? Spinach. The kebabs. Wild asparagus risotto, and of course soup of the day.